A strong core is essential for good health and fitness. It helps to stabilize your spine, improve your posture, and reduce your risk of injury. There are many exercises that can help to strengthen your core, but some are more effective than others. In this video, I will discuss the top 5 exercises for a stronger core. The importance of a strong core. Your core is made up of a group of muscles that support your spine and keep your body upright. A strong core helps to improve your balance, coordination, and posture. It also helps to protect your spine from injury. The top 5 exercises for a stronger core. Here are the top 5 exercises for a stronger core. 1. Plank. The plank is a static exercise that requires you to hold your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. To do a plank, start in a push-up position with your forearms on the ground and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Keep your core engaged and hold this position for as long as you can. 2. Crunch. The crunch is a dynamic exercise that requires you to curl your upper body up towards your knees. To do a crunch, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head and curl your upper body up towards your knees, keeping your lower back pressed into the ground. Pause at the top of the movement and then slowly lower your body back down. 3. Leg raises. Leg raises are a great exercise for strengthening your lower abs. To do a leg raise, lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Place your hands behind your head and slowly raise your legs up towards the ceiling, keeping your core engaged. Pause at the top of the movement and then slowly lower your legs back down. 4. Side plank. The side plank is a great exercise for strengthening your obliques. To do a side plank, start in a push-up position with your forearm on the ground and your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Turn your body so that you are resting on your right forearm and your left foot. Keep your core engaged and hold this position for as long as you can. Repeat on the other side. 5. Bird dog. The bird dog is a great exercise for strengthening your core and improving your balance. To do a bird dog, start on your hands and knees with your back straight. Extend your right arm and left leg out in front of you, keeping your core engaged. Hold this position for a few seconds and then slowly lower your arm and leg back down. Repeat on the other side. How to strengthen your core. To strengthen your core, you should do a variety of exercises that target all of the major muscle groups in your core. You should also start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts as you get stronger. Here are some tips for strengthening your core. Focus on form over speed. It is more important to perform the exercises correctly than it is to do them quickly. Hold each exercise for at least 30 seconds. The longer you hold each exercise, the more effective it will be. Do multiple sets of each exercise. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions of each exercise. Vary your workouts. Don't do the same exercises every day. Mix things up to keep your muscles challenged. Listen to your body. If you feel pain, stop the exercise and rest. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. Eat a healthy diet. Make sure to eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Get enough sleep. Your body needs time to recover after a workout. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. By following these tips, you can build a strong core that will help you to improve your health and fitness. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel.